Hi, I'm Chef Debbie Teoh. I'm actually a professional chef. This is the 32cm Galactic Wok. I'm in love with it because it combines the stainless steel and non-stick together. Everybody has this dilemma on buying, what do I need? A stainless steel or non-stick pan? This has got 1810 stainless steel with 5 ply combined with the titanium coating from Switzerland. It has a 10 years guarantee for the stainless steel and 2 years for the non-stick. Alright, with all this beauty combined into this wok, it actually reduces a lot of heat usage, hence you save a lot of energy while cooking. Uses less oil, hence making it healthy. Great for people who are racing that you're calculating your macros and your calories. Galactic Wok is your everyday partner because it's healthy, safe and fantastic.